that's it's not a hard gig. It's just a lot of up and down, in and out. So especially like when it's cold, man, you gotta hop out this truck so much. Like you get a good workout out in. Oh yeah, I done lost some weight dealing with this. But like I said, it's an easy little thing. Like spotting trailers. You got to be good at backing up though, because if you ain't good at backing up, mess around and hit these people trailers or somebody trucks, and that's a wrap. Like they ain't even want you to come on their site no more. But yeah, that's what I'm out here doing, you know. But like I said, you know, I got hit with, I got 2 companies out there holding my escrow. So, you know, I'm not